Okay, today we're looking at simultaneous equations, and we'll be looking at the method of elimination. Simultaneous equations involve working with two unknown variables. These variables usually are x and y. So if you have two sets of equations, each set of equation would have two unknown variables, x and y, and you would be tasked with finding x and finding y. So I'll give a typical example. 5x plus y is equals 14, and 3x plus y is equals 4. So looking at these two equations, let's call this equation 1 and this one equation 2. So in a normal simultaneous equation, you would solve for x, solve for y independently. But using the method of elimination makes it really easy to work. So if you look at these two equations, you will find something peculiar. We can eliminate y from the equation. How do we do that? I usually love to rewrite the question. 14 and 3x plus y is equals 4. So what I usually would do is minus. You take out the second equation, in this case, away from the first equation. So it's doing a normal subtraction. So you can start from left or right, it doesn't matter. I will start from the left, which is a good practice anyway. 14 take out 4 gives us 10, and we have to bring the equal sign down. And y, take out y, in this case, it cancels out. Then 5x, take out 3x, gives us 2x. So we've been able to eliminate y from the equation. And then we have 2x is equals 10. X would give us 10 over 2. Therefore, x is equals 5. Now we know quickly. That's really quick. Now we know the value of x. What we can do is choose any of the equations, equation 1 or equation 2. So, whichever one you choose, you get the same answer. I'll go with equation 2 here. That's 3x plus y is equals 4. What we're going to do is substitute for x. So in place of x, we know the value. We'll put 5 in place of x. Now we have 3 times 5 plus y equals 4. So 3 times 5 is 15 plus y equals 4. And what we do in this case is we collect like terms. I would usually take this, I would say moving this number across to the other side. Because it's a positive 15 and it's moving across the equal sign, it becomes negative 15. What we're trying to do here is to make sure the unknown variable y is on one side of the equation. So we have y is equals 4, take out 15. Y would be 4 take out 15 would produce a negative number, which is negative 11. So that's our answer for y, negative 11. And it's always a good practice. We know the value of x. It's always a good practice to have a final statement when you complete the questions or derive your answers. So we say x equals 5 and y is negative 11. So to check your answer whether it's correct, all you have to do is substitute x and y into any of these equations, and you'll be able to determine whether your answer is correct or not. That'll be a topic for another session. Thank you.